So these guys just disappeared.
One of these guys was a school teacher. Next guy, he sold insurance. And the last guy, he was retired.
Any connection?
I mean, I checked them all out. There's no criminal records, no association with any criminal organizations. One of the guys was arrested for drunk driving a long time ago. They were all divorced.
Yeah, look, I know what happened, all right? They go out to the Rock.
Suicide?
It's been known to happen out there.
Not this time.
What do you mean?
Well, for one thing, there's no bodies. And somebody was out there the day the last guy disappeared.
A witness?
Yeah, a witness.
Well, why didn't you say that in the first place?
Now I don't know what to believe.
What did he say?
He said he was out there walking his dog along the bluffs above El Matador, right? And he looks down at the beach at that huge rock, you know, the one that's separated from the mainland, right where the ocean meets the shore.
Yeah.
Anyway, he looks down there and there's a guy who's on top of that rock. He's looking all over that rock, like he's looking for something or someone. At that very moment, he says it got really, really dark, really fast, and bombs start going off in the air. Thunder and lightning, weather like he'd never seen before, coming from he didn't know where. When he looks back at the rock, guy's gone. But there's a woman there. She's in a white dress, and he says she's staring right up at him. He sees her, she's beautiful. And that was it, that was his story, right? So now, I need you to go up there and find that woman. And there's a guy who's on top of that rock, like he's looking for something or someone. He says it got really, really dark. Thunder and lightning, weather like he'd never seen before, coming from he didn't know where. When he looks back at the rock, guy's gone. But there's a woman there, and he says she's staring right up at him.
Yeah, dispatch. This is Captain Foster. I'm out here at the El Matador location. No sign of Detective Sullivan. Now, it's his car. Listen, I'm gonna take a look around before you send anybody out here, so... Hang on a minute.
Captain Foster, come in, please. Are you still there, Captain? Captain Foster. Captain, please come in.
LAPD, put your hands in the air. Put your hands up now.